Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make a group chat on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to make a group chat on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app on your phone, and after that we'll be required to go to the inbox of our TikTok profile. So at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the inbox icon just beside the profile. Tap on inbox, and over here you can see the plus icon available for us, which is at the top left corner of the screen. Over here just above where it says the create, tap on plus, and over here you'll be required to open or choose the person with whom you want to chat or with whom you want to make a group over here. And let's go and let's open this, and let's tap on start group chat over here, and then you will have created a group chat on TikTok like this, guys. And with that being said, guys, this is how to make a group chat on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.